Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'll show you how to generate money using YouTube channels in today's video. I'll teach you how to edit your videos, what free or paid editing programs you may use, how to render and export your movies, and how to perform keyword research for videos and much more. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you love the content. I'll also show you how to create your titles and descriptions so that they appear in search and the YouTube algorithm recognizes the type of content you're creating and promotes it to the proper audience. I'll also tell you how to join the YouTube Partner Program, how it works, and what affiliate marketing is all about. So let's get started. First and foremost, generating money on YouTube is not something that can be accomplished immediately. This isn't a get-rich-quick scam by any means. It is unquestionably a long-term side gig. It's also a pretty achievable task. YouTube is a very doable side hustle in and of itself. So there's this Rain video channel on YouTube, and one particular video has 119 million views, and they even have a website called 8minutesleep.com that we may visit. This is one of the ways in which this account generates revenue. So let's go to 8minutesleep.com for a quick look. This page goes to relaxingwhitenoise.com, which has a pop-up asking you to join their mailing list. As someone who runs any type of YouTube channel, you'll want to create a website and include a pop-up box to collect email addresses. So going on to this website that has garnered over 119 million YouTube mentions, and that's just in that one video. Their channel has millions and millions of views. On their website, they do really sell MP3s. So they're producing these MP3s so that you may listen to them whenever you want. As a result, you will not be bombarded with advertisements. Because YouTube places advertising on everyone's content, whether they're in the YouTube Partner Program or not, it doesn't matter if they're in the YouTube Partner Program or not. That is one of the ways they make money. The other way they make money is they make money off of the traffic to their website. I would bet if you refresh this page enough times, you get a little pop-up ad for something random, and that's going to be through Google Ads or one of the other ad carriers. And that's one way that this website makes money on top of the affiliate MP3s. So the cool thing about the way that this Rain channel is making money is that they're actually doing it through multiple income streams. So you see that they've got whatever stream of income they have on YouTube, if they're monetizing it in the partner program. And then they've got two different streams of making money on their website itself. And if you go back to the YouTube channel in the description, they've got another link to the MP3 in most cases. But actually, they're working on their MP3 store right now. And if we look at their channel called Relaxing White Noise, and we can see that they've gotten almost 24 million views this month and making crap ton of money. So number one, how to make YouTube videos. So let's talk about how you can generate these rain sound videos for yourself. And you can monetize them because you're doing your own unique material. So if it's raining at your place, go outside, capture a little rain clip, and then loop it in the program like I'm going to teach you, and you'll be able to make these videos 10 hours long. So in order to get sounds for your videos, go to freesound.org or record your own sound. Freesound.org now offers a wide range of sounds. Type thunderstorm in the search box and get free thunderstorm sounds. If you wish to use sounds that no one else is utilizing, consider using the website Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound does cost money each month, but they do provide a free trial. It costs about $15 per month, but you can receive a month free. Type thunderstorm in the search box and you'll be provided with a plethora of thunderstorm sounds effects to choose from. There are the highest quality sounds available anywhere on the internet. Choose whatsoever rain sound you like, download it, and then go to a website called pexels.com, which is essentially a website where we can grab free stock footage to use as a background for our rain sounds. So if we type in thunderstorm, we'll receive photographs of thunderstorms. So we'll acquire some amazing thunderstorm photographs to put on the background of our rain sound by typing thunderstorm and simply go ahead and click download to acquire this free image. So now that we've got the sound and the video, let's get in there and make this video. And I'll teach you step by step how to do it. It'll take you like 2 seconds to produce a 2-hour video or a 10-hour video. It's not that difficult. Number 2, how to edit your YouTube videos. So let's get started using Adobe Premiere Pro, the editing program. In Adobe Premiere Pro, go to File, then New Project, and drag over the stormy rain sounds in the photo that we'll use for the video's backdrop. Resize the shot a little and drag it along with the song all the way to the end of the timeline. As you can see, we now have a lovely rain sound video. However, Adobe Premiere Pro is not free, so if you want to accomplish this for free, you may use Wondershare's Filmora, which is a free video editing program that a lot of people enjoy to use and is quite good. You may also use DaVinci Resolve, which is also a free editing program. You could even do them on your phone. Simply go to your app store and browse for video editing apps. Because you don't have the processing power of a computer, it might take a lot longer for a video editor. Number 3, how to make longer YouTube videos. Next thing, we'll see how to make this 2-minute video into a 10-minute or even a 10-hour video, and it's really simple. All you have to do is go to your mouse, left-click and drag to choose both your rain sound and your photo, and then press Ctrl-C, which is quite straightforward. Then we'll press Ctrl-V, which will paste this onto our timeline for us, giving us a 4-minute or almost 5-minute film. Then, to make this even bigger, you'll just pick both of these clips and paste them even farther and drag the video as long as you want to. If you don't want to drag it, simply left-click it once, then right-click and pick Ripple Delete, and you're done. And now we have this massive video which is almost 10 minutes long, and you could continue this for 10 minutes to get a 10-hour video by just posting larger and longer chunks. It's extremely simple. The only thing you have to be concerned about is the rendering times. So depending on what sort of computer you have, exporting a 10-hour film will take quite some time. Now that we have a great rain video, we want to have it viewed by as many people as possible for our YouTube channel. This is the most crucial aspect. Number 4, how to get more views and keyword search. So next, we'll move to YouTube, and I'll show you how to use the greatest keyword research and SEO techniques for these kind of videos to get your videos noticed by thousands, if not millions of people. All you have to do now is perform some keyword research on the rain video we created previously. We'll use TubeBuddy.com for that, and I'll warn you, it's a bit pricey at $9 a month, but it's well worth it since you'll be able to recoup your investment. It's simply putting money into your own company. It's also a fantastic tool for researching keyword phrases. So we have connected searches, and these related searches will be the key to increasing traffic to our YouTube videos. So we have rain sounds for sleeping baby, rain sounds for sleeping 10 hours, no thunder, and rain sounds for sleeping baby. So how many people are looking for this one? There are a lot of individuals looking for this one. Essentially, you'll want to keep going through these keywords until you discover one that's smaller and simpler to rank for. So you can see that the competition on rain sounds for sleeping baby lullabies is quite low. There's not much competition, and there's still a lot of search volume on it. Hence, this video is an excellent candidate for production. So rain sounds for sleeping baby lullaby seems like the perfect target. All of those important terms should be included in your title. You may do keyword research by a variety of methods. The alphabet soup technique is another method. If you search for rain sounds for sleeping baby, you'll get all of those additional results. The SEO and establishing oneself on search is the most difficult element of becoming a faceless YouTuber, because obtaining views is simple if you conduct keyword research, and that is all you need to do. Number 5, how to write title and description. Now that you've found the ideal keyword, I'll show you how to construct the title and description. So we're going to copy and paste this rain sounds for sleeping baby lullaby into a new document. Assume I'm going to publish this rain sounds for baby video, and we're going to give it a title. We'll want something that people will click on right away, since the greater the click-through rate, the more likely YouTube will be to promote it to additional people on the site. Let's think of a title for this. So now that we have this information in our document, we'll go back and look at the associated terms when they appear. We'll have light rain noises and strong rain sounds, among other things. So now we'll combine these phrases into our title and description. Some of the prevalent observed terms are dark screen, black screen, and mild and heavy rainfall. Hence, the title Soothing Rain Sounds for Sleeping Baby can be used. Then we'll add a small bracket to the following bit of our title, followed by a lullaby dark black screen. By using the keywords from other relevant search phrases in our title, we increase our chances of being found for these searches as well. Then we'll have to provide the same information on the video's description. We'll take all of these connected phrases and utilize and define them in our description. You don't want it to seem robotic. Instead, you want it to sound smooth, and it doesn't have to be very lengthy. Simply make sure you're focusing on the keywords in your title, and it sounds like you could read it. Since keyword stuffing is when you include only keywords in your description, and you might be penalized as a result of this. So we'll put calming rain sounds for sleeping babies in this description, and then you'll speak about what the video is about. It may be something like this. With our revolutionary black and dark screen, your baby will fall asleep to the calming sounds of rain in this video. Another term we came across was, your kid will sleep in the car. These noises will become the greatest lullaby for your child's sleep time before you realize it. So now we've got a number of related keywords, and the description has all of our major keywords repeated. So now we have a great title and a description. Number 6, affiliate programs. Now we'll see what other ways we can use to make money if we don't get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. There are many various methods to earn money. One of these methods is to use Amazon Associates, which is an associate program. On Amazon, people do the same thing with rain machines. So if you sign up for Amazon affiliates and start promoting these rain machines, you can earn a commission on every rain machine sold because people are watching your rain video because they're looking for that specific product or service. And that's why they're there, especially if you hit them with the no ads. You can even pop it up on the screen at the beginning of the video and say, hey, I've got this great white noise machine down in the description. Check it out. It'll fix all of your issues. This is another efficient way to make tons of money. That being said, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.